Emakhosini, welcome to Olwami Ubizo. Welcome back to my channel. Nisahleli nesalokazi intombi endala ugogo wenu. So now I promised you to tell you the story about my aunt. So once upon a time, this particular aunt of mine, right? I was a person who never visits families, like I told you. So this one time I visited my granny's place because I insisted, right? Go to my granny's place, I visit. Did Ugel not give me attitude throughout? Did Ugeli, like even my grandma could see the way she's treating me, angazi. Like I wanted to go to babangani this girl with my mom because something is deep and it can't be me because I'm just a child, you know. Long story short, on the day that I was supposed to leave, right, I wake up in the morning, kusemakhaya fanele ngiye ekitchen ngiyothatha amanzi okugeza. Ugeli wafihla isikhiya walala naso. She knew very well that I'm supposed to leave. I woke, I was like, I can't open. Then ugogo comes, yabo. She knocks on the door. She's like, hey girl, are you not leaving? Phela isikhathi ngithi I'm not finding the keys. And mangimvusa ngimbuza, like, what's ngiyekele? Like, just leave me. Then ugogo was like, ayibo ncedana umntana fanele ahambe uhamba ngamabhasi uyeGoli. So time ugele refused. Ugogo had to literally aphula umnyango so that I should go out. Only to find out ukuthi ugele ulele phezu kwesikhiya. Like that was how toxic it was. Now Ugeli one day visits Ekaya. That time now I'm in high school. She visits Ekaya. But now she's close to my sister. Agafuni nix ngosisi wami. To the point ukuthi begahlala eUville, right? Close to, it's like Hillbrow but eUville. It's like the same thing, but obviously but it was Yeoville. Ugeli my blood at that time did not click with her. Like something was odd. And I'm one person, mankuluma now, I look you in the eye. She could not even angbege emehlweni. That was how heavy it was. And to the point, yoguti, my dad bought a phone and gave it to my sister. A new phone. So she took the phone. I saw her because bengvule amehlo. My sister begaye esikolweni. So my mom was like, no, phela uhambe phone esikolweni. She took it, I saw it. Wayifihla. I did not read much into it. I thought she just wanted to use it. I did not think she was stealing it. Fine. Story short, my sister comes back, wants her phone. We're looking for the phone. She's like, I stole the phone. She saw me. And I'm like, what? I did not. And why would I steal my sister's phone? If I steal it, how am I going to use it? Because we're staying in the same house. Make it make sense. The way I was hit that day, ngashawa sisi. Ngashawa that day, I will never forget. I will never forget. Now, Ugeli went back emakhaya and started speaking bad about me. I'm this child who's disrespectful, like rebellious, spoke all these things. And there was an aunt, mamncane of mine, who's older than her, who had promised me to buy me a matric jacket. Yeah, I was in matric. Was I in yeah, promised me to buy a matric jacket And I was like, hi, e-matric jacket. And she was like, no, I heard things about you. I will not. Please don't call me anymore. Which mom ngane in their right mind will hold a grudge gumtana and say, do not even ever call me. As a mom ngane, ain't you supposed to, if ngiyenzile leyo nto, call me into order? Because I'm like your child. And she casted me out. She wanted nothing to do with me. I was like, child, I guess intafike waisho lapaya, it's very big. One time, she says to me, ngiyamsinda mina. Ngiyamsinda, like, it's like I'm so powerful, she can't handle me. Ngiyamsinda. I could not understand what she meant. Then, so she went to those churches, and there was a video that trended of somebody confessing ukuthi she was lezinto lezi zama-satani zimbi lezi. And in all those confessions, I was like, no wonder bekathi ngiyamsinda. It's like she knew that I can see all these things that she was doing. And I remember there was a time, apparently, she used this muti or spell that a man will just spend on her. Yena, she was pretty veil, but they will just spend, forget about their wife and spend their. And I remember there was a story that trended that abantu balapha eYovo, they were already knowing, or they figured out ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Then umphakathi went, bebahlala emafletini obviously went, and bathi bayomshisa as umphakathi. And lento yakhe, which is inyoka yakhe that she was using at that time, would tell her things. Yabo. So yamtshela ukuthi hey, they are coming. And uthi wababuka, wababona beza vele baphethe induku, ama-placards, all these things, but bazomthatha then bamhambisa bayomshisa. And uthi she did not fear anything. Apparently le nyoka le yamthatha from le last floor, yamkuka, yambeka phansi. So now it was vice versa. She was lapaya phansi looking up. And now they are looking down. That's how she escaped. Now, me and her, obviously, because of spirit, Noma I had Amantabadala. So, in all that she wanted to do, she could not handle me. I don't know if she wanted my spirit, if she wanted my soul, but she could not. So, she had to try discredit me, especially to my parents, because now my parents thought I'm this cray child, you know. And I grew up seeing things. I grew up poor, and there was a point where I would just keep quiet and not say anything because of why my parents did not believe me. Remember, as a spiritual gifted child, abakholwa abantu when you say things, they think you are cray. That's why kuthiwe abantu abanabantu abadala bebabizwa ngokuthi inhlanya, bayahlanya. That's why mabahamba bebayohlola emandulo bebathi ngisaye enhlanyeni, because uyahlanya. That's why mawuphupha umuntu ohlanyayo, that's your dlozi. Mawuphupha uhlanya, that's your dlozi. Though when I'm uvuka uthukile ukuthi uphupha umuntu ohlanyayo, no, bayahlanya vele. Now, as spiritually gifted as you are, kusazothiwa uyahlanya, because now things that you're gonna say, they're not making sense, because people in their naked eye, they cannot see it, or they cannot combine the dots. Only you can combine the dots, or people who are where you are, or who understand the journey that you're at. So thank you so much for watching iChannel Yami. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. See you on to my next upload.